Welcome to the world of kitchen design and renovation, where every detail counts in creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. In 2023, one of the hottest trends in kitchen decor is the use of gold accents and fixtures, which add a touch of luxury and sophistication to any kitchen. However, with such opulence comes the need for practicality, and finding the best gold sinks for your kitchen is an essential part of the process. Gold sinks not only provide a stunning focal point, but they can also serve as a practical gold sink, efficiently managing water and debris, while providing durability and longevity. In this article, we will explore some of the best gold sinks on the market in 2023 and help you find the perfect option for your kitchen renovation. Ruvati's Fire Clay Kitchen Sink creates a new benchmark for residential kitchen architecture. Ruvati Fireclay sinks are the pinnacle of art and form. They are handcrafted in Italy by experienced craftspeople who have perfected their craft over generations. This sink is a true work of contemporary glamour with its matte black and gold color scheme. Inside and rim are matte black, and the striking front apron is matte brushed gold. Only a few places in the world, including Italy, are home to the special natural white clay used in Ruvati's Fireclay base. Ruvati brings color to the world of stainless steel with this new matte gold stainless steel sink. With an innovative nano PVD finish, the stainless steel is overlaid with a colored finish that is resistant to wear and abrasion. The finish has a matte texture that is fingerprint and stain resistant. You can now match your sink color with your colored stainless steel appliances. The Edge's 10 mm tight radius and side corners offer a slightly curved corner for easy cleaning while at the same time retaining the resolutely modern look. Sink is designed for undermount installation. Rivage 36 by 21 stainless steel kitchen sink by Swiss Medicine is a durable selection for any kitchen application. Farmhouse-style designs result in a unique look and invite compliments from any guest. A rear offset drain allows for better access to under-the-counter storage space. Ruvati 36-inch farmhouse workstation sink. Ruvati's well-liked workstation apron front sinks now feature colored stainless steel thanks to the Monaco line. The stainless steel is coated with a colored finish that is impervious to wear and abrasion using an innovative nano PVD finish. The matte texture of the finish makes it impervious to stains and fingerprints. Your kitchen area is elevated by the workstation sink's added utility. You can complete all of your preparation work directly on top of your sink thanks to built-in accessories that slide and rest on top of it. You can now match the hue of your sink to the color of your stainless steel appliances thanks to Ruvati's Monaco series. The striking colored finish on the sink's wide, curved apron front will make it the focal point of your kitchen.